Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Canva app for creating affiliate thumbnails step by step clearly. Open your device's App Store. For Android users, tap on the Google Play Store icon. For iOS users, locate and tap the App Store icon. In the search bar, type Canva. Press the search button or hit enter on your keyboard. Look for the Canva app in the search results. It typically features a colorful logo with a white C on it. Tap on the Canva app to open its details page. Review the app description and its features. Check the ratings and user reviews if you wish. For Android, tap the green Install button. For iOS, tap the blue Get button. You may need to confirm your download with your Google or Apple ID. Wait a moment for the app to download and install. Once installed, locate the Canva app on your home screen or app drawer. Tap the Canva icon to launch the app. If prompted, sign in or create a new account. Now you're ready to start creating stunning affiliate thumbnails. Explore the app's interface and tools. Select a template or start from scratch. Customize your design with images, text, and elements. Once satisfied, save your thumbnail for future use. You've successfully downloaded and started using the Canva app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.